Are you struggling with aligning your text, especially when trying to add some space between different parts of it? This technique is known as using tabs, and you're in the right place to learn how to do it properly. Start by writing your text without worrying about the gaps. Then, go to the Windows menu, select Type, and open the Tabs panel. You'll see a magnet icon at the top of the text field. Click on that to enable Snap to Alignment. Now, select the text tool and position your cursor where you want to create a gap between parts of the text. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to insert a tab stop. Repeat this process for each line where you want to create spacing. To adjust the width of the gap, increase the tab width in the Tabs panel. You can use the arrow tool to fine-tune the position of the text depending on how far apart you want it. If you want to insert something in between the text, like a line or dots, simply type them in the gap, just like I've added dots in my example. If you want to add something else, like a dash or any symbol, just type it in, and it will appear in the space you've set. If the spacing between the text is too tight and needs a little more room, simply press the spacebar. You can adjust the space by holding the spacebar to control how much distance you want. You can even add other symbols, dots, or punctuation marks in between. Let's say you're working with 3 segments, like numbering, name, and price. I'll show you how to align them easily. Open the Tabs panel. Once the tab is visible, select all of your text and click on the magnet tool to position it. Now, using the text tool, place your cursor where you want the gap. After the number, press the Tab key to create space. Do the same for all the text lines below. For example, if you want space between the name and the price, click in front of the price and press Tab. Once that's done, you can adjust the tab width. Make it bigger or smaller by using the arrow tool in the front. You can click anywhere to adjust it, depending on how far you want the text to be spaced. Now you've aligned your text with the exact spacing you want. I hope this video was helpful and gave you something new to learn. If it was, please like it, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Design for more content like this.